So how much do implants cost? Well, the cost of implants depends a lot on how many implants you need and what tooth they're going to be replacing. So if you're doing one tooth in the front, it may be more expensive because we've got to make sure cosmetically that it is really good. One tooth in the back may be a little less. If you have several teeth, then that's going to be a little more complicated, and so it will cost more. If you have dentures and we want to convert those to overdentures, depending on how many implants we decide will be effective for you, that will kind of make the cost vary. New teeth in a day is a really neat procedure. It's very complex. It provides things that no other approach can. So it's going to be the most expensive, but it really is a nice procedure.